We are the manufacturer of Coco Pit. Our company's name is Denvera Coir Medium. We are the manufacturer for past 15 years. We do an export quality and it is called as buffered Coco Pit. It is come from the coconut husk and we process it with a chemical called calcium nitrate, which is different from other products which they sell it in nursery. That is called low EC and high EC, and this is a quality which is a hybrid quality which we use it for export. So we only export this quality. It is a 5 kg block which is being compressed and we export it in our name. We do buffered Coco Pit, washed Coco Pit, unwashed Coco Pit, briquette, which is like a brick, and cocoa dust, husk and grow bags. So these are the varieties which we manufacture and we export. So now I would like to show you how we have to plant this product using my product. Alright, so I'm just showing an empty pot where there is nothing. I'm not using any sand. I'm using only my product, buffered Coco Pit, where I have taken from this and I just took only 1 kg and I've just sprinkled water and made it as a big, huge quantity where we can put it for at least for 10 pots. So now I'm going to fill this with this pot, in this pot. There's no sand and there is only Coco Pit, buffered Coco Pit, which has already been treated with chemical. So I'm just taking this plant from the pot. I'm just putting it inside. And I'm filling this with my product. So this, can you see there is water already? So this retains water being coconut husk. So we just powder it and we process it and then we export it. So this is how the Coco Pit buffered it works. It is not like any other quality which is low EC and high EC which they say, and many of the people are not aware of that, which they don't know what is low EC and high EC. We request you to get a proper and export quality which is hybrid quality, and the yield will be 100 times better than what you get it in the nursery. So thank you very much. So this is how a product has been made. I'm going to tell you the uses of buffered Coco Pit. We treat this with calcium nitrate, so you don't need any manure, you don't need any red sand or any sand. Mainly, they use it for indoor plants. As you know, this is an anthurium plant, which is an expensive plant, and it's an indoor plant where they keep it on the stages and all the decorative places. So this plant has been exported, and the uses is, see, I have not used any of my, even a little sand in this and nor a manure in this. I have only filled with my product this Coco Pit, buffered Coco Pit, because it's already chemically treated. So there is no requirement of sand or anything. So that is the main uses. And another use is, it retains the water. The main thing, as we have scarcity of water all over the world, so they export this mainly to retain the water, especially the places like Gulf areas and any area where they don't have much water supply. So they use this Coco Pit. We can use it for any kind of plants and trees like vegetables, fruits, any indoor plants. If we are exporting for the plants like strawberries, this anthurium plant, cucumber, tomatoes, and much more like all the flowering plants whichever is kept in the indoor area. So all these are being used for the export variety. We are using this product mainly for floriculture, greenhouses, seedling nurseries, hydroponics, horticulture, indoor and outdoor gardening, as pot mix, landscaping, terrace garden, etc. So this is an excellent seed starter, pesticide resistant also, and it can also be reused for twice. This product, it expands to so much of the quantity, so that we can use at least for 10 to 15 pots.